Hi everyone, welcome to SASER classes. Today in this video, draw a triangle of circumradius 3 centimeter and the two of the angles 50 degree and 60 degree in easy way. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us measure here 3 centimeter length with the help of compass and scale. So this is a 3 centimeter. Next, putting the compass here and taking any point as a center of a circle, then draw here a circle with the help of compass with radius 3 centimeter. Now this is the center of the circle, so taking here O as a center of this circle. Now joining this, and this is a radius of this circle, so leveling here point B. Next, drawing 100 degree angle on the radius OB with the help of protractor. So first counting 100 degree, so marking here 100. Next, joining this to get 100 degree angle. So now leveling here point C. Next, on the radius OC with the help of protractor and counting 120 degree angle. So first counting 120 and marking here 120 degree. Next, joining this to get 120 degree angle. So leveling here point A. Okay, so now angle BOC. So first marking all the angle at the center O with any length by this way, and it looks good. That's why drawing arcs by this way. So here angle BOC, this is 100 degree. Next angle AOC 120 degree. Now adding 100 plus 120 and subtracting this from 360, so angle AOB obviously 140. Now joining A and B, then joining B and C. So joining B and C, and last joining A and C to complete our required triangle ABC. Okay. Next, taking the side BC and angle BOC at the center and angle BAC. So angle BAC, so angle BAC will be half of 100, that's mean 50 degree. So first marking here an angle by this way, and here this one is 50 degree. Now taking the side AC, and on the side AC angle AOC at the center and angle ABC, this will be half of 120, that's mean 60 degree. So first drawing here an arc by this way, and this is a 60 degree angle. Next, on the side AB, angle AOB at the center and angle ACB will be half of 140, that's means 70 degree. So first drawing arcs by this way, and this is 70 degree angle. Okay, so therefore here ABC, so ABC is the required triangle with two angles 50 degree and 60 degree. So by this way you can draw a triangle of circumradius 3 centimeter in easy way. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.